guys, welcome back. I'm Lakshit. Welcome to Just Arduino Things, only on TechnoWizards TechieTube. And in this video, we're going to see about the temperature check using soil sensor. Okay, let's go to the video. So this is the soil moisture sensor that we are going to work on in this video. And it works on a simple concept that the resistance between the two rods gives us the value for the output. Okay, without wasting time, let's go into the video. So temperature check using soil sensor. Okay, let's start. So the components required are soil moisture sensor, an Arduino board, ABC bus cable, LED or buzzer, and some breadboards and jumper wires if necessary. Okay, let's assemble. So as usual, I've taken an Arduino Uno board and giving connections. So I'm connecting the sensor with the Arduino board. So I'm going to explain your connections as well as the working principle, as well as the what we are going to do in this video also. Okay. So this is the terminal rod that we are going to immerse in a soil or some kind of liquid. So that to check the output, we are just going to immerse it in water and see. Okay, so I'm taking the interface of this board. Actually, this terminal rod and the interface should be connected. Pins can be given anywhere to this terminal rod, and there's no kind of a thing and all. But the thing is, we have to give the connections correctly from the interface to the Arduino board. That means 5 volt to 5 volt or mean the VCC, ground to ground, the digital data, that is in digital pin. So this terminal rod or soil probe has two pins. These two pins connected to the interface, which the interface has an LM393 and a potentiometer, and this has 4 terminals at the end, where one is VCC and another is ground, where the power can work up to 3.3 volt to 5 volt in general, the operating voltage, and the other two pins are analog and the digital pin. So if you want analog data, we can pin it to analog, or we have to digital, we are going to do it in digital. So in this video, we are going to just give it in digital, so that we can get the values based upon the threshold value, so that the switching happens within the Arduino, or we can switch any kind of LED or some relay kind of thing, can do it. Okay, so I'm giving the VCC to 5 volt here, and digital to the any kind of digital on the board. So this soil probe or the terminal rod can be immersed in any kind of soil, but instead we am taking the water bottle cap with some water in it, so that I can immerse some the soil probe into the water, so by checking the output, whether my output is right or not, based on the program that I'm giving. So basically the resistance between the soil probe gives us the value of the sensor, and we can also check the output from the serial monitor, so that we can check out whether the soil is present or not, or how much percentage of the moisture is in the soil or not. Okay, please check out Technologists page for new robotic courses, and do check out the purchase link in the description for the components required for this project. Okay, so now I'm plugged into the board, and I'm coded the thing. I'm pouring some water to the cap, and I'm going to check the output of the board. Okay, so I'm immersing it, and once I immersed, I can see the output of the value, like the analog data from the serial monitor. So that is the value. Okay, as you can see, the difference in resistance is shown in analog value. So that is so please kindly check other videos on our channel too. Check out our Instagram, Facebook, and social media pages too. Please support us. Do check out other videos on our channel, and you'll find it helpful. Thank you guys.